Alright, today we're going to talk about the divisibility rules. Okay, these are really cool quick tricks that you can see if just to know if a number is divisible by one of the smaller numbers. Okay, so if you look in your book on page 158, there's just a little thing on the bottom that basically talks about these rules. You need to know those. Those are very important. Okay, so what I've got is I've got two numbers up here that we are going to check for divisibility for 2, 3, 5, 9, and 10. Okay, so let's start with this one. Check for 2. Okay, so the divisibility rule for 2 is basically if it's an even number, is it divisible by 2? Yes, this is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. So I'll write a 2 underneath here. Okay, now we're going to check for 3. Okay, 3 is a little bit different. Okay, so with 3, they tell you, okay, look at the digits. Let's add them up. Okay, so 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27 plus 0 is 27. Okay, so once we add all the digits up, is 27 divisible by 3? Yeah, it is. So therefore, this number is divisible by 3. Okay, all right, so let's check for the next one, which is 5. Okay, 5 just says, okay, look at the last digit, okay? So if it's divisible by 5, the last digit has to be either a 0 or a 5. Okay, so it's a 0. Is this divisible by 5? Yes. All right, the next one we're going to check for is 9. Okay, and 9 is a lot like the 3. We add all the digits up again and ask ourselves, is that number divisible by 9? And then we added this up, it was 27. So is 27 divisible by 9? Yes. So this number is also divisible by 9. Okay, and then the last one is 10, and that's a pretty easy one. If it's divisible by 10, what number does it have to end in? A 0, and this one is. Okay, all right, so this number actually is divisible by all 5 of them. All right, so now let's look at this next number. Okay, we got 53,559. All right, so let's check for 2. Okay, remember 2, is it an even number? Well, it ends in 9, so no. Okay, so it's not divisible by 2. Okay, let's check for 3. Remember with 3, we add all the digits up and see if that number is divisible by 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. Again, is 27 divisible by 3? Yeah, so 3 is a factor. All right, so now 5. Remember, 5, what digit does the number have to end in? Yeah, the last number has to be either a 0 or a 5. It's a 9, so it's not divisible by 5. All right, the next one is 9. Again, 9 is like the 3. Okay, add them all up. Remember, it was 27. Is 27 divisible by 9? Yep, so this number is divisible by 9. Okay, and then 10, what digit does it have to end in to be divisible by 10? A 0, and this does not. Okay, so 3 and 9 are the only numbers that this number is divisible by. All right, good luck on your assignment.